So today was Saturday and I went to Scorptech to pick up this, my new PC case from BeQuiet. It's called the Pure Base 500DX and in my opinion is one of the best budget cases for $150. In terms of why I'm changing my case, my Cooler Master MB320L is essentially a heap of junk thanks to my crappy spray paint job and the terrible airflow and design. Honestly, just look at how terrible it is right now. Standout features of the 500DX include a fully meshed front panel with an RGB bar, great front I/O with USB-C, headphone and mic, and RGB button. It's got a high quality mesh top panel to keep dust out, and it comes with 3 pre-installed Pure Wings 140 fans. Overall, it's such a great case, and Amazon link is in the comments if you want to buy it.